Have you ever found yourself standing at the crossroads of potential, surrounded by untapped opportunities, yet somehow you're merely skimming the surface of what life has to offer? It's a universal feeling, the yearning for a breakthrough, a desire to elevate your existence beyond the ordinary. Well, buckle up, because today we're not just scratching the surface, we're delving deep into a paradigm-shifting revelation. It's time to trade in that spoon for a shovel as I unveil a transformative secret that has the potential to redefine your narrative and unlock a cascade of miracles in your life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll possess a 3-step formula that could propel you into a realm of unimaginable possibilities. Greetings, fellow seekers of transformation, to the space where we unravel the mysteries of self-improvement and manifestation. Today, we're embarking on a profound journey, exploring a secret prayer formula that has the power to shape your reality, attract miracles, and set you on a course toward the life you've always envisioned. Before we dive into the depths of this transformative revelation, do me a favor: smash the like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the transformative content we share here. Now, let's embark on this journey together. Ever feel like the world's bursting with opportunities, but somehow you're just scraping the surface? Well, in this video, we're unveiling the secret prayer formula, a 3-step process to pull in miracles effortlessly. In the first step of the transformative secret prayer formula, we embark on a journey of cultivating active gratitude. It's more than just a courteous acknowledgement of the positive aspects of our lives. It's a profound recognition that life itself is an invaluable gift. Imagine life as an intricate mosaic, a beautiful tapestry of experiences, challenges, and joys, woven together into a present you neither requested nor purchased. Being actively grateful involves a continuous and sincere expression of thanks. It goes beyond the conventional expressions of gratitude for the evident blessings in our lives, urging us to delve deeper into the intricacies that compose the very fabric of our existence. The philosophy underlying this practice is the understanding that the good things in our lives are not just random occurrences, but gifts bestowed upon us by a force greater than ourselves. The power of active gratitude transcends mere pleasantries. It acts as a potent catalyst for change. It serves as a mental cleanser, purging our thoughts of negativity and creating a fertile ground for the miraculous to unfold. As the renowned psychologist William James once articulated, change how you think inside, and you can change what happens outside of your life. To integrate this principle into your daily life, try incorporating the simple yet profound word thanks into every sentence or prayer. This conscious act establishes a magnetic field, attracting positive outcomes effortlessly and naturally. Moving forward on our transformative journey, the second step invites us to envision a world where excuses and complaints are replaced by an unwavering focus on gratitude. This step goes beyond the act of expressing gratitude for the blessings we currently enjoy. It encourages us to let our imagination soar toward our deepest desires. It's an acknowledgement that the process of creation thrives when we find contentment in our present circumstances, recognizing the abundance already present in our lives. At the heart of this step lies the powerful secret of releasing the limiting belief in lack. By expressing our desires positively, as if they are already manifest, we engage in a paradoxical shift. This shift opens the floodgates to receiving what we genuinely desire. Picture it as a transformative process similar to job hunting, where those currently employed often find new opportunities more quickly. Like attracts like, and having begets more. This step is, in essence, a divine affirmation. I'm pleased you appreciate it. I'll send you more, something even better. As we reach the culmination of the secret prayer formula, the third step introduces us to the concept of inspired action. It's not just about expressing desires and cultivating a mindset of gratitude. It's about translating these thoughts and aspirations into tangible, proactive steps. Hold in your mind the powerful idea of this or something better, recognizing that uttering these words opens the door to the possibility of receiving something beyond your initial expectations. Your desires should not be passive. They should be dynamic sources of energy and inspiration. In this step, we understand that inspiration sparks desire, and a conscious decision transforms it into intention. However, it is action that breathes life into these intentions. Rather than fixating on a specific outcome, allow your desires to become a wellspring of inspiration that propels you into purposeful action. By incorporating these 3 transformative steps, active gratitude, isolated request, and inspired action, you're not just wishing for miracles, you're actively participating in their manifestation. It's a holistic approach that empowers you to not only visualize your aspirations, but also take the necessary steps to bring them to fruition. Before we conclude, let's delve into a powerful secret prayer tailored for attracting financial abundance. Repeat after me. Thank you for my life and all that is in it. I promise to act on the ideas I receive and the opportunities I see, aware that they are signs and clues of what I must do to attract more money and continue living a life of magic and miracles. This or something better. Thank you. I love you, God. This prayer serves as a capstone to the transformative journey we've embarked upon, reinforcing the alignment of our thoughts, desires, and actions toward the manifestation of miracles in our lives. As we conclude this transformative exploration into the secret prayer formula, I invite you to embark on a personal journey of manifestation and empowerment. The principles we've unveiled today are not just theoretical concepts, they are tools waiting to be wielded in the forge of your own life. Starting each day with a conscious expression of gratitude. Infuse the word thanks into your thoughts, sentences, and prayers. In the spirit of isolated requests, visualize a world where your complaints are replaced by a resolute focus on gratitude. Let your imagination soar towards your deepest desires. Affirm your desires positively as if they are already yours. It's time to move from contemplation to action. Hold in your mind the idea of this or something better, and let it guide your decisions and actions. Your desires are not passive. They are wellsprings of inspiration. Let that inspiration fuel purposeful action, propelling you toward the life you envision. Thank you for investing your time and energy in today's exploration of the secret prayer formula. Remember, this is just the beginning of a journey that holds the potential to reshape your reality. Carry the wisdom shared here into your daily life, creating a tapestry of gratitude, positive affirmations, and purposeful action. As you step into the days ahead, may you walk with confidence, knowing that you possess the tools to manifest miracles in your life. Until our paths cross again, may your journey be filled with wonder, joy, and the tangible manifestation of your deepest desires. You have the power within you to create miracles. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your life unfolds in extraordinary ways. Have an extraordinary day ahead. And remember, the magic begins with you.